Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save an article for later on the Bing application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the news button down below on the left side of the screen and then select an article that you would like to save for later. So tap on it, and after that click on this more button that can be found in the upper right corner of the screen marked with 3 dots. Then click on the save button, which is the third option, so tap on it and then your article will be saved. If you tap on the tabs button down below, you will be able to find your saved articles that you can remove from your list by tapping on this X button next to the news title. So that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.